Hello, in today's video I'll be showing you what to do if your low tire pressure light comes on, like it did in this Dodge Avenger. This light comes on when tire pressure is about 25% lower than the manufacturer's cold tire specification. Tire pressure can be affected by temperature changes, so on colder weather you might notice a drop in your tire's PSI, and is a common reason why the light might come on. So we want to start by looking for this label, which is normally located on most vehicles on the driver's side door post or the door edge. And this label is our reference to the recommended cold tire pressure we want to inflate the tires to. And I always carry around this air compressor jumper unit. It has come in very handy instead of having to pay at a gas station or use our big air compressor for such a small task. So the first thing you want to do is check all our tires' tire pressure. And this thing has a gauge attached to it already, so I'll just connect it and fill as needed. If you find any tires that look or read really low PSI, you might want to look around the tire and make sure there's no sign of a nail, or listen for a hiss that might be coming from the tire itself as a sign that there's a nail in it. Our first tire, as you can see, has a reading of about 25 PSI, so I have to add about 7 PSI to it. So now we just put the cap back on and repeat on the rest. And our second tire has about 27 PSI, so we want to fill that to 32 as well. And this third one has about 28 PSI, so we want to fill that to 32. And our last one has about 27 PSI, so we want to fill that to 32. Now that we got them filled to spec, when we turn the key the light should go off, or it may require a minute or two of driving. If it doesn't, it may be possible that the tire pressure sensor went bad, or the battery on the sensor went low. And on this car, the moment it recognizes the tires are filled to specification, the light went away. If you do these steps and it doesn't reset on its own, first you want to verify if you have a full-size spare that may have a sensor in it as well, and fill it to spec. If not, you may have to look in the owner's manual if your vehicle has a tire pressure reset button. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Please hit that like button and consider subscribing.